Today I will show which data you can send with conversion to volume using volume parameters. To send conversion to volume, you need to place volume parameters in the Postback URL, conversion tracking pixel, or conversion tracking script. Here you can see all of the volume parameters that you can use. Only one, the CID parameter, is required. The CID is dedicated to passing volume click ID. For example, if you use affiliate network, during each campaign visit, a unique click ID is added to the offer URL to a network. If later the click ID is relayed back to volume via server request, a conversion is recorded successfully. So this CID parameter is mandatory. Next parameter is the payout. The payout parameter is used to pass the revenue amount per conversion. There are two available options for tracking conversion payout in volume: auto or manual. Next one is currency. If you want, you can use the currency parameter to pass the information about the payout currency with each conversion. You need to note that this will override the currency settings set in the offer. The next one is txid. It is used to pass unique transaction ID for each conversion. You can either manually define a transaction ID or pass it dynamically via the token supported by the offer source. The next one is id parameter. In the Postback URL or conversion tracking pixel or conversion tracking script, you might use the id parameter to track different conversion type. However, the parameter requires an additional setup that you can configure in Settings, Custom Conversion tab. Also, you can send additional parameters to volume. If you need to send additional information, you can use the parameters from 1 to 5 to pass any information from your affiliate network with a token. To properly use your parameters, you need to place it in, for example, Postback URL.